Hello students, how are you? There is a one big question that why WD Gann worked on so many squares, so many circles, why he could not say this one square is universal square for all the stocks, commodity and currencies. There is a one big reason behind it. What's the reason? The reason is that every stock, every commodity, every index is a unique identity. Few stocks are ruled by the square of 52, few are ruled by the square of 9, few are ruled by square of 4, few are ruled by square of 144, few are ruled by the square of 12, or few stocks are ruled by the square of 24. So why we have to study these all squares and try to find out the match. This stock particularly will work on this particular square, and when there is a big movement, then this square will work, and when there will be a sideways movement, price will move within a very tight range, then there will be another square which will be used, right? So we have taken the case studies of Sensex and Bank Nasdaq, which has worked wonderfully well on square of 52, but there is the chance on some stocks or on some commodities, square of 52 may not work so nicely. That is the big reason why WD Gann worked on so many squares, square of 9, square of 4, square of 12, square of 24, square of 52, square of 144 and so on. Now, till now we have worked on square and octagon charts. We'll try some more ways to form these squares and the circles. With these words, lots of love, blessings, happy trading, happy investing to all my students. Lots of love from core of my heart.